What to shop. Craig left.
Wait, where is he?
Well, you know it, guys. I'm over here getting things started. Very special edition of today's film because this morning we're the chefs. We're going to whip up a few of our favorite holiday food and drink recipes when the third hour today comes right back.
Like a relentless weed, moderate to severe Crohn's disease symptoms can keep coming back. Break away to what's possible with Tremfya. With rapid remission at 12 weeks and fewer bowel movements.
Uh-oh, I got caught filming. Did I get caught filming, you boo-boos? Oh, Hamish. Look at the baby boy. Finnegan. Where's my Finnegan? Where's my Finny?